Ayan, good afternoon Afong fans, and you're still watching the Alcala Pamplona Open Northern Games Volleyball Tournament All Cagayano Conference, and you're about to witness the game between Team Igig versus Team of Enrile. First team to serve is Team Igig, opening the first set. Kilang on deck to serve for Team Igig. Good serve. Open. And a net touch violation is called on the side of Team Enrile. First point goes to Team Igig. And a point coming from jersey number 3 of Enrile. All one is the standing score. Team captain Maborang to serve for Team Enrile. Tarmad with a quick play to Supnet. Two serving, one. Supnet to serve. Nice reception by Team Enrile. Pamitan to Dumlao is blocked by jersey number 8 of Team Enrile. All two is the score. Jersey number 8 to serve for Team Enrile. 4. Dumlao attacking. Down the line is good for Dumlao of Team Igig. 3 serving. 2. Dumlao to serve for Team Igig. 4. Cut shot is dug by Dumlao. Tarmad setting. Alawigan with a drop ball. Maborang drop ball. Good dig there by Tarmad and a swipe for Alawigan. Ball still playable. Maborang goes to the open. Dug by the libero. And a chance ball by Dumlao. Long rally. 4. Alawigan with the attack. Chance ball for Team Igig. Tarmad through the block by Tarmad, jersey number 2 of Team Igig. Dumlao still serving for Team Igig. 4 serving 2. And a service error on the side of Team Igig. A free point for Team Enrile. Jersey number 3 for Team Enrile to serve. 3 serving 4. Over receive. Dumlao attacking at the back, and it's an attack error for Dumlao. All 4 is the score. Alawigan attacking. Dug there. Pamitan. Still playable. Chance ball by Liban. And a combination play for Pamitan. Point for Team Enrile. Nice combination play there for Enrile. 5 serving 4. Libero. Alawigan setting. And almost a commotion, but a point for Team Igig. All 5 is the score and Alawigan is on deck to serve for Team Igig. Two wide for Team Enrile and a point for Team Igig. Alawigan with the service. Pamitan attacking. A joust and a point for Team Enrile with the net violation. Pamitan on deck to serve for Team Enrile. Liban with the running goes out for Team Igig. Pamitan serving for Team Enrile. Dumlao with the reception. Tarmad attacking. Deflated by the block. Dumlao attacking at the back row. And ball goes out for Team Enrile. All 7 is the score. Liban on deck to serve for Team Igig. And a substitution on the side of Team Enrile. 4 coming out, 9 coming in. Reception there for open. Tarmad with an off the block point for Team Enrile. Liban still serving for Team Enrile, for Team Igig. Goes to the middle. And a block point for Supnet of Team Igig. 9 serving, 7. Liban is still on the service line. Good serve. Pamitan at the back, dug by Liban, and a drop ball by Kilang for Team Igig. Our standing score is 10 serving, 7. And a substitution for Team Enrile. Another good serve by Liban. Goes to the open. Kilang to the middle. Supnet with a push. And a point for Team Igig. Igig up by 4. 11 serving, 7. Another good serve from Liban. Maborang chasing the ball. Alawigan with a dig. And a quick attack for Supnet of Team Igig. Substitution for Team Enrile. 4 coming in for jersey number 9. Liban still serving for Team Igig. Reception there by jersey number 3 and it ball goes out. First technical timeout of the first set. Ayan. Go Team Igig, sabi ni Jamaica Faye Bawi Sera. Ayan, go daw sa BFF ni Von Mag-guide, si John Kenneth. Ayan, we're seeing players of Tugigarao interacting on our comment section. Ilaban nyo, Enrile, sabi ni Jamaica Basig. Ayan, shout out po sa ever beautiful na volleyball player ng Tugigarao City, none other than Derek Pia Ramos. Ayan. And go Team Enrile, sabi ni Visitasyon Anog Maborang. Ayan, and we're back to the ball game. Still serving for Team Igig is Liban, 13 serving 7. Maborang chasing, rolling ball, dug by Liban, and a drop ball for Kilang. And a point for jersey number 4 of Team Enrile. Ayan, isa pa daw shout out kay ever beautiful na and talented volleyball player of Tuguegarao City, the famous Derek Pia Ramos, and a bounce ball for Supnet of Team Igig. Our official score is 14 serving 8. Supnet with the serve, Tarmad with the service error. Later ka na, Derek. Jersey number 4 to serve for Team Enrile. And a point for Team Igig courtesy of that through the block by Dumlao. Kilang with the serve. Open. And an attack error by jersey number 3 of Team Enrile. Fifteen serving 9. Kilang with the serve. Maborang with the set. Kilang setting for Dumlao. Targeting Pamitan. And a point by jersey number 3 of Team Enrile. Ayan po. Jersey number 12, Maborang serving for Team Enrile. Alawigan. And a net violation on the side of Team Enrile. Supnet still serving. Gakutan with the reception. Dug by Kilang. Tarmad setting for Dumlao, and the ball sails out for Dumlao. Point for Team Enrile. Jersey number 8 for Team Enrile on deck to serve. 11 serving 17. Dumlao with the reception. And through the block by Dumlao of Team Igig. Ayan, Dumlao with the service. Gakutan with the reception. Maborang setting to open, and a check ball for Team Enrile. Jersey number 3 of Team Enrile on deck to serve. 12 serving 18. Dug by the libero. Alawigan attacking. Open, drop ball. Tarmad with a pancake save. Ball still playable. Combination play for a Pamitan of Team Enrile. Ayan, shout out kay Von Magay na may ex daw sa Team Enrile by Derek Ramos. And a service error for jersey number 3 of Team Enrile. Alawigan now to serve for Team Igig. 19 serving 13. And a service error for Alawigan. A point for Team Enrile. Pamitan now to serve for Team Enrile. 14 serving 19. Targeting Alawigan. Kilang setting Tarmad. Running attack. And a point for jersey number 4 of Team Enrile. What a smart play of jersey number 4 of Team Enrile. Pamitan still serving. Targeting Alawigan. Tarmad attacking. Balls to playable, goes to the open. Doug. Tarmad with 4 touches on the side of Igig. And a timeout for Team Igig. Our official score is 19-16 in favor of Team Igig. Ayan, this timeout is brought to you by our sponsors of the Apong League, Attorney Alvaro Bong Antonio, Ma'am Digna Puzon Antonio, Ma'am Attorney Cristina I. Antonio, and of course, the Tournament Director of Apong League, Ma'am Criselda Dadang Antonio. And back to the ball game. Our official standing score is 19-16 in favor of Team Igig. Pamitan still serving for Team Enrile. 16 serving 19. Dumla with the reception. Run and gun by Libag of Team Igig. (20) serving 16. Liban with the service. Another good serve. Open, rolling ball. Dug by Alawigan. Tarmad with the attack. And ball sails out for Tarmad. 17 serving 20. Tarmad with a combination play. Deflected by the block. Still playable. Tarmad with a chance ball. Goes to the open for Team Enrile. Targeting zone 1. Is good for jersey number 9. 8, I should say. 18 serving 20. And another point for Supnet with that quick attack. Tarmad now on deck to serve. 21 serving 18. And a service error on the side of Team Igig. Jersey number 4 of Team Enrile on deck to serve. 19 serving 21. Tarmad with the reception. Dumlao targeting cross court. Maborang. And a point for jersey number 3 of Team Enrile. (20) serving 21. And Alawigan with the reception error. We are now tied at 21 and a timeout on the side of Team Enrile of Team Igig. By Supnet of Team Igig. 22 serving 23. Kilang serving. Quick attack. Dug by Tarmad. Alawigan attacking. And Gakutan cannot receive that ball from Alawigan. We are now tied at 23. Ano ba, Derek? Walang ano man. Char. Maganda ka rin, sis. Nice one daw, Supnet, sabi ni BFF ko. Ayan, shout out again. Kila Derek Ramos, Von Magay, Laisaa, Alci Baligod, Aliana Shane, and of course, happy viewing kaya Mark Anthony Bayed. Ayan, shout out kay Argil Sheramaudi Badajos. Open and through the block, jersey number 3 of Enrile. Now at set point, Maborang, team captain to serve for Team Enrile. 24 serving 23. Libero goes to Dumlao and a point for a Team Igig. Tied at 24, raised to 2. Supnet now on the deck to serve for Team Igig. Quick attack by jersey number 8 of Team Enrile. Now at set point for the second time around. 25 serving 24. Reception by Tarmad goes to Dumlao. Blockers out by Dumlao of Team Igig. 25 all is the score. Another deuce. Dumlao serving. Quick attack, block. Still playable. Kilang to Tarmad. Block. Libero was there. Tarmad trying again. France with a dig. Cuatro, Pamitan with the attack. And it's blocked by Tarmad of Team Igig. Igig now at set point. 26 serving 25. And a service ace by Tarmad of Team Igig. Igig winning the first set of this match. Ayan, nice one, Doc, sabi ni Argil Sherimaudi Badajos. Ayan. You're still watching the game between Team Enrile versus Team Igig. Still on the men's division of our elimination round. Ayan, nastig Igig, sabi ni Robert Carl Rumusod. Ayan, sabi ni Jonah Pamitan, nice one mga BFF ko. Sabi ni Stephanie Nicole Gamad, Brian Dumlao, bambangan mo. Ayan, sabi niya Sir Robert Carl Rumusod, pa-shoutout po si SB Maria Rizalin Kaluweng Felix. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, sabi ni kay Ryan John Kadangan, shout out daw po kay Marlon Rosete. Ayan, thank you. thank you daw po sa pansit ni Ma'am Kath kanina. Sabi ni Argil Shiramaudi Badajos. Is out for Guzman of Team Enrile. All one is the score. Kilang now to serve for Team Enrile. And an ace for Kilang. Two serving one. Kilang still serving. Magno with the reception. Goes to jersey number 4. And it's blocked by Supnet. Maborang goes to the open. Pamitan to the block. A point for Team Enrile. 2 serving 3. Guzman with the service. Alawigan attacking. And it's deflated by Pamitan of Team Enrile. All 3 is the score. Still serving Guzman. Short service. Dumlao on the opposite. Alawigan on the open. Dug by Guzman. And the ball cannot be crossed to the other court. And the point goes to Team Igig. 4 serving 3. Supnet with a serve. Magno. Maborang to Dalida is good. Dalida now to serve for Team Enrile. All 4 is the score. Tarmad with the reception. Goes to Dumlao. Through the block by Dumlao of Team Igig. Ayan. Dumlao on deck to serve. 5 serving 4. Dalida with the reception. Pamitan and through the block. Point by Pamitan of Team Enrile. All 5 is the score. Pamitan to serve. Tarmad. And put away by Ardley Tarmad of Team Igig. Alawigan now on deck to serve. 6 serving 5. Gakutan. Maborang with the joust. And still playable. Libero with the running Liban. Joust. Maborang receiving. Maborang attacking. And it's blocked by Liban of Team Igig. Alawigan still serving. 7 serving 5. Dalida to Pamitan on the back row. And it's good for Pamitan of Team Enrile. Basig to serve. No blockers for Liban. Point for Team Igig. He's on deck to serve. 8 serving 6. Gakutan. Tumaborang. Tumagno. Pamit. Block by Guzman. No entry for Tarmad. 7 serving 8. Magno now to serve. Alawigan with the receive. Supnet with the quick attack. Goes to the open. Dumlao was there. Tarmad targeting zone 1. Quick attack for Guzman. And a point for Team Enrile. All 8 is the score. The lead is now on the side of Team Enrile, 9 serving 8. Magno still serving. Alawigan with the reception, over received. Maborang setting to the leader, targeting zone 1. Tarmad with a chance ball. Pamitan to quick attack to Guzman. To Tarmad. Still playable. The leader with the second touch. Guzman with the over ball. Kilang with a drop ball, and it's good for a Team Igig. All 9 is the score. Tarmad now on deck to serve for a Team Igig. And it's a service error for Tarmad. Lead is back to Team Enrile. Maborang now to serve. 10 serving 9. Targeting Tarmad. Goes to Dumlao. Down the line hit by Dumlao for Team Igig. All 10 is the standing score. Kilang now to serve. Gakutan. To Pamitan with the rolling ball is good for a Team Enrile. Guzman now to serve for Team Enrile. 11 serving 10. Quick attack, but an attack error for Supnet. Lead now is by 2 for a Team Enrile. 12 serving 10. Short service targeting Alawigan. Kilang with the set. Alawigan with the attack. And put away by Supnet. Supnet now to serve for Team Igig. 11 serving 12. Magno with the reception. Quick attack by the leader of Team Enrile. Technical timeout. Second technical timeout of the match is brought to you by the SMS. Experience more with the smarter multimedia services. Ayan, coming up next is the game between Team Solana versus Team of Peña Blanca. Still on the men's division of our elimination round. Ayan, shout out daw po kay Theo Tabug, sabi ni Bon Maggay. Go 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 Team Enrile, sabi ni Yara Ruth. Nagnamis ni Yap. Ayan, and we're back to the ball game. Our official standing score is 13-11 in favor of Team Enrile. Maborang still the leader to serve for Team Enrile. targeting Tarmad. Kilang going to the opposite. And Dumlao with the finish. 12 serving 13. Dumlao now to serve for Team Igig. Gakutan to quick attack, but an attack error there by Basig of Team Enrile ties the game. All 13 is the official score. Dalida, Pamitan, Alawigan, still playable, and a lucky break for Team Igig courtesy of that dig from Kilang. And a timeout for Team Enrile. Igig takes back the lead 14-13. Ayan, sabi ni AJ Tulyao, grabe ka na, Bray. Ayan, shout out daw po ni Miss Badahos ang buong team natin. Jonah Pamitan, sabi niya. Bumawi daw kayo, Team Enrile, sabi ni Jofel Simangan. Ayan, shout out po kay Harry Campo Aban who is watching. Go Enrile, sabi ni Jofel Simangan. Ayan, and we're back to the ball game. Igig with the lead 14-13. Dumlao still serving for Team Igig. Pamitan, Tumaborang, Tumagno through the block by Team Enrile, courtesy of that spike coming from Magno. Pamitan now on deck to serve. All 14 is the score. Liban hesitate on that quick attack. Tarmad with a point for Team Igig. Takes back the lead. 15 serving 14. Alawigan now on deck to serve. Shout out daw ko kay Ciro Baldi, sabi ni Mark Anthony Malobago. Ayan, shout out daw po kay Derek Ramos na hawig ni Vanny Gambler. Ayan. True ba? Char. Basig now on deck to serve. All 15 is the score. Alawigan with the reception. Tarmad. Maborang with a chance ball. And off the block point by Tarmad of Team Igig. Ayan, sabi ni Alci Baligod, ganda ng sets. Pasensya na po. Magno. Alawigan, Kilang with a drop. Magno gets that ball alive, and an attack error by Supnet of Team Igig. Ayan, shout out po kay Lester Batulan, sabi ni Jamil Paralag Balansag. Drop ball by Tarmad. Dalida tries to get a point, but he is deflated by the blockers of Team Igig. The lead is back to Team Igig. 17 serving 16. Magno to Dalida. Tries again. Dumlao. Rolling ball. Gakutan was there. Pamitan. Targeting Alawigan. Dumlao. Its blocker is out for Team Igig. Igig now leads by 2, 18-16. Gakutan. Maborang with the joust. De Guzman setting for the Lida. Good dig there by Pamitan. Maborang with a cut shot for Team Enrile. 17 serving 18. Maborang on deck to serve for Team Enrile. Maborang with the service. Alawigan setting. And a point for Team Enrile. We are now tied at 18. Courtesy of that miscommunication by Dumlao and Alawigan. Shoutout daw po sa mga BFF ni Von Magay, Martin Liban, and John Kenneth. And a timeout on the side of Team Igig. Ayan, na-shoutout na po sila, Theo Tabog. Ang mga friendship daw ni Von Magay na sina Martin Liban and John Kenneth. Shoutout daw po kay Estong, sabi ni Jason Tell. Ayan, sa mga bagong tune-in lamang po sa ating Facebook Live, this is the match between Team Enrile versus Team Igig on the men's division. And coming up next is the battle between Team Peña Blanca versus Team of Solana. Ayan. Sabi ni Mark Anthony Malobago, shout out po kay Kenneth Putok. Ayan, sabi ni Yara Ruth Nagmamis, shout out po sa ating mga referees, sabi niya. Back to the ball game, Maborang still serving for a Team Enrile. Good serve. Kilang setting for Tarmad at the back row. Ball still playable. Pamitan attacking. And ball goes out for Pamitan of Team Enrile. And we are tied again at 19. Kilang on deck to serve. Babaran. Maborang to the Lida. An attack error for Team Enrile. Igig now takes back the lead. 20 serving 19. Kilang to Babaran to Pamitan. Goes to Alawigan. Rolling ball for Ethan Alawigan of Team Igig. (21) serving 19. Chance ball for Team Igig. Goes to quick attack. And a point for Team Igig. Timeout on the side of Team Enrile. Our official standing score is 22-19 in favor of Team Igig. Ayan, shoutout po kay Princess Joy Alejandro. Sabi ni Jonah Pamitan, nice one Kuya Ethan. Ayan, next game is to be played between Team Solana versus the team of Peña Blanca on the men's division. Ayan, you're still watching the Alcala Pamplona Open Northern Games Volleyball Tournament All Cagayano Conference. And you are witnessing the match between Team Enrile versus the team of Igig. Ayan, shoutout daw po kay Kenneth Abalos watching from USA. Sabi ni Jamil Paralag Balansag. Ayan, Vince Kilang to serve for Team Igig. Babaran with the reception. Quick attack by Guzman. Dug there by the setter. Dumlao with an off-the-block point. Puts them at warning point. 23-19. And ball goes out for Kilang. Service error on the side of Team Igig. Guzman now on deck to serve. 20 serving 23. Libero to Kilang to Dumlao on the opposite. Puts them at match point. Ayan, isang puntos na lamang ang kailangan ng Team Igig to close this match. Supnet now to serve. And ball goes out for a Supnet of Team Igig. Substitution. Babaran out. Magno in. Dalida to serve for Team Enrile. 21 serving match point. Combination play is out for Dumlao. Two match point save by Team Enrile. Tarmad. Kilang chasing the ball. Alawigan. Gakutan. Maborang to Magno. Ball still playable. Goes to Alawigan. Still playable. Kilang to Dumlao with a drop shot. Pamitan gets the point for Team Enrile. And a timeout will be called on the side of Team Igig. What a run for Enrile. But still, Igig is at match point. Can Team Enrile tie the game? Let's see. Sabi ni Sean Denver, uwi na be, mag-play na dito. Go Enrile ilaban, sabi ni Alcy Baligod. Ayan, next game po is the game between Team Solana versus the team of Peña Blanca, still on the men's division of our elimination round. Shout out kay Jaymar Reyes. Nanginginig manood, sabi ni Jay Reyes. Go Enrile, sabi ni Shin Eri Gakutan Polio. And still, Igig at match point. Let's see if Enrile can tie the game. Good serve, Tarmad with the reception. Dumlao with a put away. And winner for this match is Team Igig. 25-23. Congratulations. Ayan.